Indices displayed in the picture represent the mixed performance across various global markets. In the United States, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, that is the Dow, showed a slight increase and improvement of 0.03%, that is 33.19 points, indicating a relatively stable trading session. However, the broader S&P 500 index declined by 29.88 points or 0.50%, reflecting the negative sentiment in the large cap stocks. The technology heavy Nasdaq experienced a significant drop of 237.08 points or 1.21%, signaling a downturn in the tech sector. Additionally, the Russell 2000, which tracks small cap stocks, fell by 17.08 points or 0.78%, suggesting struggles in the smaller companies. Meanwhile, market volatility, as represented by the VIX, rose 4.23% to 15.98, indicating increased uncertainty among investors. In Canada, the S&P TSX Composite Index showed marginal gains, rising by 4.23 points or 0.02%, reflecting a stable performance in the Canadian stock market. However, the S&P TSX 60, which tracks large cap stocks, saw a slight decline of 0.012% or 0.01%, indicating mixed result among major Canadian companies. The Brazilian stock market, represented by the Bovespa index, saw a substantial decline of 1726.68 points or 1.36%, highlighting a sharp downturn and potential economic or political concern impacting investor confidence. Similarly, Childs S&P IPSA index saw a minor decline of 0.42 points or 0.01%, indicating minimal movement in the Chilean market. Finally, Mexico's S&P BMV IPC index dropped by 34.34 points or 0.06%, reflecting slight downward pressure in the Mexican stock market. Overall, the global market displayed a mix of modest gains and notable losses, with the technology stocks in the United States and Brazil market facing significant downward trend while volatility remained elevated. The commodities market displayed a range of price movement across energy, metal, and agricultural product, indicating shifts in supply, demand, and investor sentiment. In the energy sector, WTI crude oil saw a modest increase of $0.18 or 0.25%, bringing its price to $70.88. The movement suggests stability in the oil market, with potential factors such as the geopolitical tensions, OPEC plus countries' production decision, or fluctuation in global demand influencing the price. Similarly, Brent crude oil, that is BZ000, that has been serving as an international benchmark for oil prices, experienced a slight gain of $0.11 or 0.15%, reaching $74.89. Brent crude oil remains relatively higher than WTI due to its broader global demand, often reflecting macroeconomic condition and trade partners. Also, in contrast, natural gas experienced a decline, falling $0.03 or 0.85% to $3.95. This drop indicates a weakening in natural gas prices, which could be attributed to lower seasonal demand, increasing supply levels, or reduced energy consumption forecast. With a 52-week range of $1.64 to $4.48, natural gas has experienced significant volatility, reflecting its sensitivity to weather patterns, storage level, and shift in the global energy market. Turning to the previous metal sector, gold recorded a moderate increase of $3.85 or 0.12%, bringing its price to $2,966.70. Gold remains a favored that has been the asset for investors seeking stability, especially during times of economic uncertainty or inflationary pressures. With a 52-week range between $2,000 and $2,900, the metal is near its upper trading range, signaling continued interest from investor as a hedge against currency devaluation or market instability. Likewise, silver gained $0.06, that is 0.19%, reaching to $32.66. Silver price movement offer correlate with the industrial demand and investor sentiment toward safe haven assets. Given its 52 weeks of $22.41 to $35, silver is also trading towards the higher end of its yearly performance, indicating sustained interest in the precious metals. In the agriculture sector, soybean saw a slight increase of $0.03 or 0.26%, bringing its price to $10.50. Soybean prices are influenced by factors such as weather condition, crop yield, global demand, and trade policies, particularly between major producers like the United States and China. The commodity's 52-week range to $9.45 to $12 shows that it has been remaining relatively stable.